Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to set up email marketing using ClickFunnels. Whether you're a business owner or a marketer, this guide will help you leverage email to boost your sales. And don't forget, there's a link in the description for a free trial of ClickFunnels, so you can follow along. ClickFunnels is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help you create sales funnels that convert. With its email marketing features, you can automate your outreach, nurture leads, and increase your sales. Let's get started with setting it up. First, let's create your ClickFunnels account. Click the link in the description for a free trial. Once you're on the sign-up page, fill out your information and choose a plan. After signing up, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that you have your account, it's time to set up your email list. Go to the Email Integration section. Here, you can connect your email service provider. ClickFunnels integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and more. Select your provider and follow the prompts to link your account. Next, let's create a funnel specifically for your email marketing campaign. Click on Create New Funnel and choose the goal of your funnel. For email marketing, you might select Collect Emails or Sales Funnel. Follow the easy steps to customize your funnel pages. Remember, an engaging opt-in page is key to collecting leads. Once your funnel is ready, it's time to set up your email sequences. Navigate to the Automation tab. Here, you can create automated email sequences to engage your leads. Write compelling subject lines and valuable content to keep your audience interested. Personalization can significantly increase open rates, so don't forget to add that. Before launching, testing your funnel is crucial. Go through the entire process as if you were a customer. Make sure emails are being sent, links work correctly, and that the user experience is smooth. This will help you catch any issues early and optimize your funnel for the best results. Now that everything is set, it's time to launch your email marketing campaign. Share your funnel link on social media, your website, and through paid ads. Monitor the analytics provided by ClickFunnels to track your performance and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to start your email marketing journey, remember to check the link in the description for a free trial of ClickFunnels. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy marketing!